Have you ever wondered why you wake up with stiff knees, weak legs, or that heavy, sluggish feeling in your muscles, even when you're eating well, sleeping enough, and trying to stay active? Well, it's not just aging. In fact, something much more subtle is happening while you sleep. Most people think muscle loss happens because we don't move enough. But in truth, your muscles break down the most at night, during sleep, when your body should be rebuilding and recovering. You see, after the age of 60, our ability to repair muscle tissue during sleep becomes slower. If your body is missing the right nutrients, especially specific vitamins, it simply can't rebuild properly. Instead of renewing your strength overnight, your body breaks down muscle to fuel other essential systems. And this slow, silent muscle loss, night after night, is one of the biggest reasons people over 60 start to feel weak, lose balance, or struggle to walk confidently. The good news? There's a simple way to stop that. By giving your body the right vitamins before bed, you support your muscles at the exact time they repair. And today, I'll show you the 7 most important vitamins to take at night to protect your muscles, support recovery, and help you wake up stronger. Let's start with magnesium, especially the magnesium glycinate form. Magnesium helps relax your muscles while you sleep, reduces cramps, and improves cellular hydration. If you often wake up in the middle of the night with a tight calf or feel achy in the morning, you may be low in magnesium. Taking 250 milliliters of magnesium glycinate with a warm glass of water about 30 minutes before bed can calm your muscles and help restore strength overnight. Next up is vitamin K2 in the MK7 form. K2 is often overlooked, but it's crucial for directing calcium to the right places, like your bones and muscles, instead of letting it harden your arteries. Without enough K2, your muscles won't get the calcium they need to contract properly, and your body can't maintain strength. Taking K2 with a small amount of healthy fat, like almond butter or coconut oil, right before bed, can make a big difference in how your muscles feel and function. Then there's vitamin D3. Most people know D3 is good for bones, but few realize it also helps activate genes inside your muscle fibers. D3 supports the growth of new muscle tissue and helps preserve fast twitch muscle, the kind that keeps you steady on your feet and prevents falls. Low D3 levels are directly linked to weaker legs and slower recovery. Take D3 after dinner, with healthy fats like avocado, olive oil, or salmon to absorb it properly. Fourth on the list, vitamin B12, especially in its active form, methylcobalamin. B12 helps transmit nerve signals from your brain to your muscles. If those signals are weak or delayed, you'll notice poor coordination, balance problems, or that heavy leg feeling. Many older adults are deficient in B12, even if they eat well. Taking a sublingual, under the tongue B12 before bed helps bypass digestion and delivers it straight to your bloodstream for better absorption. Now let's talk about vitamin C. Yes, the immune vitamin, but it does far more than fight colds. Vitamin C is essential for producing collagen, which keeps your muscles strong, elastic, and connected. If your body can't make enough collagen, your muscle fibers become fragile and slow to heal. A buffered or liposomal form of vitamin C, taken at least 1 hour after your last meal, helps support tissue repair as you sleep. 1 gram is usually enough for daily recovery. Sixth is vitamin E, ideally the natural version called D-alpha tocopherol. As you sleep, free radicals can damage your muscle cells, especially if you've been under stress or inflammation. Vitamin E acts like a shield, protecting your muscle membranes so they can heal and rebuild properly overnight. Take it on an empty stomach, about an hour after dinner, for best results. And finally, vitamin B6, especially in its activated form, P5P, pyridoxal 5-phosphate. Even if you're eating plenty of protein, your body still needs B6 to convert those amino acids into actual muscle tissue. Without B6, that protein goes to waste, and muscle continues to shrink. Taking a small dose of P5P about an hour before bed helps your body actually use the protein you ate throughout the day to build strength as you sleep. Now, here are a few important tips to make sure these vitamins work for you. Always take fat-soluble vitamins like D3, K2, and E, with a bit of healthy fat for better absorption. Don't take calcium at the same time as magnesium or zinc. They compete for absorption. Space them at least 1 hour apart. Choose active forms when possible: methyl B12, MK7, P5P. Stay consistent. Take your vitamins at the same time every night. And drink enough water, because hydration helps deliver nutrients to your muscles effectively. The truth is, aging is natural, but losing strength, confidence, and independence doesn't have to be. Your body still has the power to rebuild if you give it what it needs, when it needs it. By supporting your muscles while you sleep, you're not just preventing weakness, you're building a stronger, more resilient version of yourself, starting tonight. Even if you just start with 1 or 2 vitamins, that small change could help you wake up in a week feeling more energized, more steady, and more in control. If you found this helpful, feel free to share it with a friend. And don't forget to subscribe to the Inner Health Way for more natural health tips designed for older adults. Rest well and stay strong.